to Jaipur on a train from Delhi. Honestly, better than Sri Lankan trains. Quite comfortable. Today's our first day in Jaipur. We're starting off the day hiking up the Amber Fort. Is it too early for this?
No. It's like 10 a.m. We gotta sleep in.
I've had like 3 chai teas already. I got energy.
So the Amber Palace is really interesting and we've been here for like about an hour. The only thing is it is a maze. We have no idea where we are right now. Because it was built so that royal women could peer out through these tiny windows and not be seen by the public, and it's just so beautiful to look at. But it's actually even more beautiful if you go upstairs across the street to one of the cafes, and the view there is like, it's like a postcard. Festival in Jaipur and it is so much fun. There was a parade that we like just missed. But it's so many people and everyone's
selfie mania.
Very nice.
So we stopped at this hole-in-the-wall restaurant that we were recommended by a gentleman at our hotel. Nobody speaks English. All I could get out was curry, and vegetarian. And so they came out with every choice of curry they have.
I think we're going hungry.
Yeah. So for our train ride today, we decided to pay extra and get the AC train. And it is so cold that we are in blankets. And we've ordered 8
chai teas to try and stay warm.
Made it to the next city,
We are in the blue city.
Jodhpur. And we're being chased by kids right now.
Today, and unlike Aberfort, this one is super easy to navigate. It's beautiful, it's easily laid out, which we really appreciate, and it is just lovely.
There's also less tourists here, which we really like.
It's so quiet and there's no honking, and it's just like a break from the chaos. So there is a portion of this fort where the men are separated from women, children, and disabled people, and we walk separately to a temple, but the women's side have a much better views. For once, I feel like I'm lucking out here when I get separated. Usually I just am not allowed in places, but allowed here, and I have a better view. Reunited.
I was just gonna say reunited. So we spent today touring all around Jodhpur, and now we're heading back to our guest house because we convinced our host to teach us how to cook some authentic Indian cuisine.
Just like a fire, so it tastes like that. Only half a spoon of the chicken masala. I put only this much of the red chili powder for you, and if you don't like spicy, so you can put that one more than masala. I only just little bit for taste. Little bit garam masala is too much. Okay?
Oh, it's really teeny tiny.
Little bit garam masala is too much.
Smells so good.
I can say it helped.
Thank you.
That is delicious.
Thank you so much.
That is so good. So not only does he cook, but he's handsome too, and he's looking for a girlfriend. So
Please, I want any girlfriend. I'm single.
Any minute now.